Hello friends, my name is Weber-Salas and today we're going to speak about the spine, which has 34 vertebrae, the bone part, depending on the anatomy of each one. It also has the spine cord, it has nerves, it has discs and much more. But today we're gonna speak about the natural curves that make an S shape, and this structure helps to reduce the impact and protect the structures within the spine. So the spine is divided into 5 segments, which are as follows: cervical, right on the neck, then you have dorsal, lumbar right after, sacrum and coccyx. And today we're gonna talk a little more about the cervical spine. The first 2 vertebrae are very unique and different from all the others. The first, also called atlas or C1, it's a ring-shaped vertebra. Atlas begins at the base of your skull, after the base of your skull, that you can feel it right here, and you're probably not gonna feel your atlas, and it's named after Atlas of Greek mythology, who held the world on his shoulders. The second vertebra, it's called axis or C2, and this vertebra basically allows atlas to rotate or pivot to make this movement. Of course, you have muscles and other structures involved, but this is basically where it happens. Axis is named after the Latin excel, which means moves in a circular orbit around, which means it allows to do the no movement. The 4 following are similar in look and function, as you can see. And lastly, we have C7, which has a longer spinous process, and you can feel it. If you go to your side and lower your head, you're gonna feel your muscles, and then you're gonna feel a knob, and that's gonna be the spinal process of your C7. So in resume, you have 7 cervical vertebrae, and let's talk a little bit about its functions. Simplifying it, it protects the spinal cord, which is very important. It holds your head and it connects it to the body, which is super important as well. And one particular thing or function that the cervical spine has is small holes, which allows the vertebral arteries to go up to irrigate your brain. It's the only part in the spine where we have these kind of holes. This is the first of the spine easy anatomy sequence that I will be doing, so you can understand a little bit more about our body, so later we can study further things. I hope this video was useful to you, and remember, you can always contact me to tell me your comments or ask me any questions. I'm always available, and see you in the next video. Ciao, ciao!